Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Welcome to the lesson 4 of Media and Information Literacy. Communication, media, and information. Technology has played and is playing a vital role in communication. Especially nowadays, communication has been tied to the internet. Millions of information go through different media every day. Let us look deeper into how each one is interrelated to the other. How is communication affected by media and information? First, let's define media. Media is a channel or system of communication. It is the means by which information, the message, is transmitted between a speaker or writer, the sender, and an audience, the receiver. For example, radio stations use certain frequencies as a channel in order to broadcast their programs. Information, on the other hand, are stimuli that has meaning in some context for its receiver. When information is entered into and stored in a computer, it is generally referred to as data. After processing, output data can again be perceived as information, such as whenever you surf the web and click something, that is stored as data, which is then processed into information. For example, clicking an item in Shopee will be stored as an information about you. Later on, when you visit Shopee again, or any of its affiliates wherein Shopee advertisements can be seen, they will be able to show same or related products based on your preference. Due to the diversity and availability of different media, plus the humongous amount of information coming from various sources, communication has evolved into a powerful tool that is essential in our daily lives. That is why we have to be literate of how to use this media and information to benefit us. What does it mean to be literate? Literacy is a fundamental human right and the foundation for lifelong learning. It is fully essential to social and human development in its ability to transform lives. It is an instrument of empowerment to improve one's health, income, and relationship to the world. We come across huge amounts of information from different media. Things we see in Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, news websites, TV, the things we hear in the radio, things we come across in flyers, vandals on the streets, walls, and a whole lot of things. The question now is, how do we make use of this information and media to work for us, to give us an edge in this life, to empower us? Some terms to understand. Media literacy. The ability to read, access, analyze, evaluate, and produce communication in a variety of media forms. As simply put by Buckingham and Livingstone in 2005, media literacy is having access to the media, understanding the media, and creating or expressing oneself using the media. Information literacy. The ability to recognize when information is needed and to locate, evaluate, effectively use, and communicate information in its various formats. For example, in research, learners should be able to bridge gaps between a problem and current or related solutions to that problem. Or, they should be able to analyze and interpret results coming from experiments or survey results and reach conclusions that will help their immediate community or contribute to the scientific knowledge. Technology or digital literacy. The ability to use digital technology, communication tools, or networks to locate, evaluate, use, and create information. Just because you have a TikTok, Facebook, or Instagram accounts doesn't mean that you are technologically literate. Technology literacy is when you are comfortable with using different forms of technology and is willing to learn new technology as it upgrades and branches out to different purposes or uses. So, what is media and information literacy? Media and information literacy refers to the essential competencies, knowledge, skills, and attitude that allow citizens to engage with media and other information providers effectively and develop critical thinking and lifelong learning skills for socializing and becoming active citizens. Why do we need to learn it? because media and information are readily available. The question now is, what are you going to do with them? How can you help your community, your family, and especially yourself to develop, grow, and progress, not just in this world, but in the hereafter? That is the end of Chapter 1. Please prepare for a long quiz on Friday, and see you on Chapter 2. Thank you for watching.